Yuka, you playing? What do you got there, Lukey? Let it go, Luke. Let it go. What'd you do? What did you do? Did you take them all out? Now you got to put them all back like this. Yeah, may as well eat one, if all else fails. You can get some wild hair today. All right, Yuka, you want to say goodbye to everyone? Can you say bye? Bye-bye. Bye. Bye, everyone. We'll check you later. That was like a goodbye. Yes. Anything else you want to say before we go? Oh, okay. You loved being in Toronto and you miss everyone? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Say bye.